Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet bookmark designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet bookmark design is a handmade decorative pattern created with crochet techniques specifically made to mark a place in a book. Instead of a typical paper or ribbon bookmark, crochet bookmarks are made from yarn or thread, often in delicate, flat, and lightweight patterns, so they can fit easily between book pages without damaging them. Key features of crochet bookmark designs: flat and slim shape, designed to be thin so it won't bulk up a book. Common shapes include rectangles, lace stripes, or motifs like flowers and hearts. Thread or fine yarn. Crochet bookmarks are usually made with cotton thread or fine yarn for a delicate and lightweight finish. Creative patterns. They can feature lacy designs, fillet crochet motifs like butterflies, flowers, leaves, crosses, or stars, tassels, or even 3D elements at the top of the bookmark. Practical and decorative. They serve both as a functional reading tool and as a pretty accessory or gift. Customization. Colors, aging styles, motifs, and even details or symbols can be added to personalize them. Popular crochet bookmark styles: lace stripe bookmarks, long thin lacy patterns resembling vintage lace. Motif bookmarks with a flower, butterfly, or star at the end attached to a string. Corner bookmarks, small triangle patterns that slip over the corner of a book page. Many crocheters love bookmarks designs because they are quick projects, great for beginners, and make beautiful, thoughtful handmade gifts. Crochet bookmarks are such a fun and versatile project. Here are more tips and ideas to make your crochet bookmark designs even more beautiful, practical, and unique. Yarn and thread choices. Cotton crochet thread is best since it is thin, smooth, and lays flat in box. Use lightweight yarn like fingering or lace weight if you want a softer, slightly thicker bookmark. Avoid bulky yarns, they will be too thick and damage book pages. Design and style tips: keep it flat. Choose stitches like chains, single crochet, double crochet, or lace patterns that don't pop up too much. Add tassels or charms. Add tassels on the edge or a beaded charm makes the bookmark extra pretty and functional. Motif plus string. Attach small motifs like flower, butterfly, heart, and a star to a long chain. 8. Dangles beautifully between pieces. Try fillet crochet. This technique creates delicate lace-like bookmarks with patterns such as hearts or into tails. Corner bookmarks make triangular or heart-shaped designs that slip over the corner of a page. Finishing and care tips: blocking. Lightly stretch and block your bookmark so it stays flat and crisp. Edging. Add a scalloped or picoted edging for a refined look. personalization, Crochet tells names or favorite symbols for custom gifts. Travelability for extra strength, you can double thread and border or add a thin ribbon often into the stitches. Creative uses perfect handmade gifts for book lovers. Lovely party or wedding favors, pink and white lace with beads. Great for kids, crochet animal or cartoon bookmarks with colorful ears. Tips: since bookmarks are a small project, they are great for practicing new stitches, color changes, and motif designs without committing to a big project. Design creativity, natural motifs, dry leaves, feathers, sunflowers, roses, or Venus for an elegant, natural look. Geometric patterns, diamonds, hexagons, or zigzag stripes make modern bookmark designs. Themed bookmarks for children books, crochet animals, cats, owls, fish. For classics, try vintage lace styles. Double-sided designs make a motif on both ends of a chain so the bookmark looks pretty from both sides. Color and texture, ombre yarn use gradient cotton thread to create a fading color effect. Two-tone bookmarks make the body one color and the edging another. Metallic thread add a touch of the sparkle with silver or gold thread accents. Texture contrast, alternate smooth stitches with lace sections for variety. Practical tips: chain length. Adjust the chain or string length based on book size, longer for large novels, shorter for small notebooks. Flat motifs only. Avoid heavy 3D flowers or bulky appliques that could trace into pages. Thread conditioner. Lightly wax and stress your bookmark for durability and to keep fibers from wearing. Secure ends, woven ends tightly so the bookmark lasts longer. Embellishment ideas: beads. Add small seed beads into stitches for sparkle. Buttons. Sew a vintage or wooden button to the end of a chain. Charms. Add a teeny charms, keys, stars, box themed one for extra personality. Ribbon mix. Combine crochet lace with a thin ribbon, often show for a delicate effect. Extra uses gift wrapping accents. Wrap around the gift book as part of the presentation. Event souvenirs. Make bookmarks as wedding favors or book club tokens. Collector items create theme sets like flowers, holidays, animals that people can collect. A crochet bookmark design is a handmade decorative page created with crochet stitches meant to mark in place in a book. Unlike traditional bookmarks made from paper, fabric, or leather, crochet bookmarks are softer, flexible, and customizable. They are usually long and slim, so they fit neatly between pages, but designs can vary from simple lace stripes to themed motifs like butterflies, flowers, or even whimsical character. A bit of history, early lacework or crochet in the 19th century often included bookmarks as part of the household's decorative items. Today, crochet bookmarks remain popular because they are quick, lightweight projects. The late crochet groups test new stitches or use up leftover yarn. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!